Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fade audio on CapCut easily. So I'm just going to select add audio, and I'm just going to record myself saying something so you guys can hear it. Hello guys, bye. Okay, that's it. So to fade in and out an audio, select the audio and select the fade button and adjust the fade in duration and the fade out duration here, and just press the check mark button. And I think you already heard what it sounded like. Okay, let's just play it again. Oh, I don't know. So, hello guys, bye. Hopefully, you heard that, but it's basically in fade, and there's a fade in and out duration here, and just slide it to the right to add in the duration of the fade in and out. That's it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!